Apple Insider viewers. Today, we're diving into the latest from Vivo's T-series lineup. In April 2024, Vivo introduced the T3X 5G, a device that garnered attention for its balance of performance and affordability. As of February 2025, the T3X 5G is available in India, with prices starting at 12,499 rupees for the 4GB RAM and 128GB storage variant. The T3X 5G boasts a 6.72-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth visuals. Under the hood, it houses the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, paired with up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate its dual rear camera setup, featuring a 50-megapixels main sensor accompanied by a 2-megapixels secondary lens. For selfies, there's an 8-megapixels front camera. The device is powered by a substantial 6,000 mAh battery, supporting 44W fast charging to keep you connected throughout the day. Looking ahead, Vivo is preparing to launch the T4X 5G in India by March 2025. While specific details remain under wraps, reports suggest that the T4X 5G will feature a larger 6,500 mAh battery and introduce new color options, including Pronto Purple and Marine Blue. Stay tuned to Apple Insider for more updates on Vivo's upcoming releases and other tech news. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay informed.